Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Jeremy here, quantstrategic.com.sg, and a recap of the S&P 500 US markets. And starting off with the longer term charts, still looking beautiful, nice bull run since 2010. And looking at the price development of late, the month of February has closed off for the S&P 500 with a green candlestick and a test and a close at 3964, just 36 points short of the psychologically important 4,000 points on the SPX. We're waiting for the trading month of March to see how price action develops for this seemingly unstoppable bull market in the S&P 500 over the past almost 12 years for now since Lehman. Zooming into the weekly charts on a medium-term time frame, the long signal at 3168 on the 1st of June last year, targeting all-time highs, and it's still on an uptrend, and importantly still supported by the Tikan 3812 level, which is the fast moving average, and a support at 3554. So the trend has still been unbroken, and very, very nice uptrend on the medium term charts on the S&P 500, looking at 4,000 and beyond. So we need to actually clear and bounce at 3812, or maybe a pullback to 3554, and then a rebound, and then test much higher again. Now, looking at the short-term charts on the dailies chart, which most of you probably are referring to, all right, interesting development. We close off February with a break of the super trend line on the dailies, all right? So there is a short-term weakness that is happening over the past week, and the short signal was issued at 3812 on the 26th of February, targeting the weekly pivot point at 3554. All right, so once again, I want to bring you to attention on the different kinds of candlesticks that you can use when you're doing your trading, especially for swing traders and long-term investors. If you toggle the Heikin Ashi candlesticks, you will see a pretty much different picture. All right, so this is the Heikin candlesticks, all right, and if you can see, there wasn't a short signal since the long that was issued on the 6th of November last year, all right. In fact, the trend will only be broken at the level of 3773, and this is the level that I use to watch. So for the users of Heikin Ashi candlesticks, there is no short signal for the S&P 500 until we break the level at 3773. But for the interest of the general public who uses normal candlesticks, if you flip back to the normal candlesticks, yes, you do have a short signal at 3812 where the super trend line was broken. Similarly, there is a short signal on the S&P 500 on the 4-hourly charts at 3812, targeting 3554 just last week, a day before. It was on Thursday night, and the target is 3554, short-term weakness. And just for those users who may want to use the Heikin Ashi candlesticks, if you look at the Heikin Ashi candlesticks, once again, voila, long signal has been maintained, and there's no short signal till we hit a level of 3776, just like your dailies chart. But so just as a summation to sum up, the S&P 500 long-term uptrend, medium-term uptrend, short-term, based on the normal candlesticks, there is a short-term weakness at the close of the month of February for the S&P 500, and the pivot point right now stands at 4,000 points. If the S&P 500 is unable to break above its pivot at 4,011 points, we might have a little bit of short-term weakness to test the level on the medium-term charts, this particular pivot point at 3554. So it's either a breakdown short-term weakness and correction to 3554, and then resume its uptrend to test 3964, the intraday high, towards 4000, or a break below 3554 to test lower levels in the months to come, in the weeks to come. So thanks very much for watching, everyone. Remember to click on the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and the blog will be updated on quantstrategic.com.sg. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.